Today you'll be designing a way to get from one canyon to another in the Grand Canyon. Activity: use cones or other objects to make a mini obstacle course. Solve a problem just like an engineer. Work with an adult to find things to climb over, crawl under, walk around, or jump over, and figure out the easiest way to get from one end to the other end of your obstacle course. Activity: cross a canyon. The garden fairy is on one mountain top and needs to get over the canyon to get to another mountain top. How could you use your engineering skills to help the garden fairy across the canyon? Set up 2 chairs opposite each other, about 2 inches apart. Imagine that each chair is a mountain top and the space between is the canyon. Your job is to design a way for the garden fairy to get across the canyon. Draw some ideas using your Grand Canyon photo of how you can get her across. Now that you have your ideas, use the materials to start making it and then test it out. How did you come up with your design? What engineering skills did you use? Did you invent something? Were you able to help the garden fairy? By finding a way across a canyon, you solved a problem, just like an engineer. That's what you do when you take action. You spot a problem and come up with a plan to solve it. Now it's time to decide how you want to take action. Which of the project ideas on your list sounds like the most fun? Which projects would help you learn something new? Which ones will make you feel proud when you're done? We talked about a skill you want to learn or get better at. Is there a special skill you have now that you are really good at? Maybe you can whistle? Or sing a high note? Or maybe you know how to dive into a pool? Whatever it is, draw it. Activity: designing your take action project. What are the first steps engineers take when they want to invent or create something? That's exactly what you're doing today. You came up with the need for your take action project. Now, you'll brainstorm ideas about how you want to do your take action project. Some things to think about, depending on what you want to do.